It's a Toolwiz magnet sweeper. We got the handle right here. Two wheels. And this is the actual magnet right here. So, and a little booklet to tell you how to put it together and use it. Looks like it will be pretty easy to put together. You need a 3/4 inch wrench. Just want to go a little, you just want to go tight and then back it off just a little bit. I seem to have already lost the washer for this side, so I'm just going to use a general washer. And just a washer I just found, a rando washer. Now we're going to attach the handle. So it looks pretty straightforward. Here's the washer right here. It's stuck underneath. That's silly. So it works. All right, now let's go test this out in the gravel and see what we can find. Got quite a bit for the first round. All right, that's it. That's the Toolwiz magnet sweeper. Thanks for watching.